semi stressful. Okay, we are live. Into launch and let the Telegram know. We got about 30 minutes. Okay, not like really gonna be bad. Well, I can't even load YouTube to try to go live. I probably just need as little tabs open right now as possible. Try to go live as practice. So we're gonna cut the Instagram. Been a while since you traded NQ, huh?
It has. It's been a little bit. Excited to get back on it.
I think there's a slight echo coming through on your end. No, I didn't hear it that time. Okay, let's just run with it. Save changes. We're not going live on Instagram. What's up, Black Boy? What's up, my brother? What's up, guys? And Anthony's in here. We got to get Josh in here. Where's Josh? All right, little technical difficulties this morning, guys. Our Wi-Fi went out like 2 minutes before we were setting up. This is Noah, just so you guys know. He's going to be streaming with us today. JMO is going to be hopping on a little bit later. I'll pop up Noah's chart right now. Good morning, Josh. Josh is here. We got everyone here. We're streaming on everything except Instagram today. If you guys are on Twitter, go ahead and join YouTube. If you're on Twitch, I can see your comments, but I can't see them if you're on Twitter. But if you don't, I'll open Twitter I'll check it occasionally to see if you're in there watching for the comments and whatnot. But we're mainly on YouTube. So stay tuned and we're going to try to take smaller pieces today. Asking, not sharing. Up until no, can you hear me?
You're cutting out. Yeah, Josh is right. It's cutting out pretty bad. Hey Josh, how am I coming through okay?
Damn, that's so annoying.
Trader Black Boy. Living class. Yeah, I think it's just your internet there.
Yeah, it's definitely my internet. Can you hear me at all?
I can hear you great. I can hear you great now.
Okay, cool. Well, yeah, I'm on a hotspot, so we're gonna keep up on no screen right now. We got 9 minutes until the open. Hopefully, we can, launch our trades and whatnot.
Yeah, Cameron, tell me a little bit about your strategy, about how you look into it. I know we always traded together, but we always traded slightly different. So I'm curious to see what it looks like.
So right now, I'm just trading negative versus reward, but what I'm doing is, can you see my screen?
I can.
So I'll take the first like let's say this black candle right here, this down candle is the first candle of the New York Open, 9:30. I'm taking this candle as my opening range. Now I'm basically just trading based on candle structure. And so what I'm waiting for is if this is a range, the high and the low of the range, I'm waiting for price to break out of it. This is the very first minute. I'm only using the 1 minute and I'm waiting for price to break out of the first minute. When that happens, I'm basically taking a short position. I'm trying to get 10 points. It's a very quick move. It's even quicker once it's 9:30 because you'll see these candles aren't moving as much as the 9:30 will. So it'll really look like something like this. It's a very small move, but you get like $200 a trade. Then what you do though is, let's just use a different. Another day. It looks like I lagged a little bit again.
You did a little bit, but it's fine. We're still here.
Okay. So we'll go to yesterday's price action. Basically, this was the market open candle right here. This was the very first range we're in. Once we broke out of this candle, we created a new range. Basically, this being our new range right here, the high and the low of that range. So I take my very first trade on the first breakout of this first range, and then I take my second trade on the second breakout of the second range, the new range, which is this one. So the first one is pretty much on this candle breakout right here, you short, and then on the next one, it's this candle breakout right here, and you short. And it's very small moves that are really, really accurate. Like over the last month, for example, this strategy has I'm on an 8 trade win streak, but over the last month, which I only just back tested like 35 trades, it's 34 for 35 right now. So,
Okay.
And I'm giving myself a 3 trade breathing room. I'm either losing 1 for the day and I'm done, or I'm winning 2. That's how I'm doing it. So that's my strategy. It's super simple, super short. I got OCO brackets on. You can set brackets to basically, if you go to settings, you switch, you would be on position brackets right now. If you switch to OCO brackets, you can put in a bracket order, which has your take profit and it's super accurate. My trade would hit before I could even drag that on.
Okay. All right. Market open about 5 minutes here.
Yes, sir. So take your time though. Trade how you trade. I'm gonna probably be placing my orders in like the first 10 to 15 minutes of the open, and it's just that's just kind of what I'm gonna do. And then usually JMO's on, he'll probably hop on too. You guys will see him hop in here, and he does some like higher time frame, like 5-minute chart work.
Yeah, I'm even higher than that. You know, I remember how I used to trade with the last kiss strategy.
Mm-hmm.
Remember that strategy?
Yeah.
So I do kind of a remix.
I flipped you. You're already in pre-market. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, I do a little bit of that. So I'm just marking some highs and lows, support and resistance right now.
You're on the 30. Yeah, guys. Noah traded NQ way before I did. Way before I ever did.
Yeah, I traded NQ, got burned a couple times. I'm sure all you've experienced that as well. Getting back into it, dabbled in Forex a lot, been trading for about 4 or 5 years, coming off a about 2-year break. Got married, kind of got started in a real estate career. So getting back into trading now that that's all, situated and comfortable.
I'm glad to see you back though. I was waiting for your return for those 2 years.
We're looking at the 24400 level. Is a pretty strong support level here. We've seen some bounces here. All right, liquidity sweep here, took all of this out, shot back up. We
got 3 minutes till open. I see something really quick. Did you end up getting the order tab pulled up and whatnot?
Yeah, it's up. You're gonna have to help me with the contract size. It's been a while. I
So
think I'm gonna be
just trade
risking
NQ and just trade one.
one. Okay, one contract. What's the
That even might be a lot.
for risking? I want to risk around 1%, 1 to 2%.
Actually, you shouldn't trade one if you're on the 4 hour. You should trade like just 3 MNQ. So switch your chart to MNQ and go to 3 and just put on 3
Minis.
and then yeah, three micros. No, M and then NQ.
All right, let's remark this out.
And then you see where it says like the stop sign on your order tab.
Yep, right here.
Click that. Make it blue. Because you see now the blue on your chart, it's linked to your chart now. So now when you place an order, it'll be connected to it. And then the number of contracts you want to trade is probably just stick around trading like 3 until you're used to things, like 1, 2, or 3, and whatever you want. But I wouldn't go higher than 3 on the higher time frames right now.
Right. And 4 to 6 is getting a lot of stops here. So I'm sure you remember this, Cameron. I mark on the 4, go down to the 1 hour to refine, and I could kind of get a bigger grasp on where the candles are at, where the reversals are actually happening. Then I'll take my entry either on the 15 or 30 minute, depending what the setup looks like.
I love it. I'd love to get into some higher time frame NQ again. It's been a while.
It's fun. It's fun. So right now I'm seeing on the 1 hour, we're seeing a pretty good resistant area, but it's also a very good area for a breakout. So you never, in my case, never want to, get in a trade where it's just on the verge of either bouncing all the way down or going all the way up. It's too risky.
We might have that drop right now. And so this is what I was talking about, that 1 minute opening range. Like we were like measuring this candle over here, but it's always a lot bigger at market open.
Yeah.
So
what my confirmation for this, we see it dropping right now, Tad, which is good news for, I believe, yeah, it's dropping. Some highs and lows in this right here, right here, right here. So we're going to let it break this, close below this line. And that's going to be an entry for us.
Here, I'll flip
and the close just has to be in the 15.
Oh, that line? Okay. I might be taking a short on the way there because I'll pull my screen up, or unless we go higher, but
yeah.
Now we've set the open range.
Yeah, and this is what I was kind of talking about. You kind of see how volatile it is. Even let me go to the 15 minute, how it's kind of spiking back up a little bit right when it hit this line. Plus it's open, so it's a very, very quick time for the market. So we're going to let it settle, find its position before my strategy kicks in.
So yeah, JMO usually waits like the first 15, 30 minutes before he gets on anything. I'm taking advantage of what I'm calling like the scramble at the open, where basically people are getting liquidated and stuff. I'm trying to like profit off of that. So
yeah,
we'll see if it hits today, but I'm only trading one mini. I scaled back a lot, so I'm just trading one contract. We haven't broke out yet. This is what we've seen the last few days too, though. We've seen price kind of sit in that first minute candle for a minute or two, and then it'll break out like higher or lower, and then it'll run like a few candles, and that's usually where I'll get the trade. I've never yet had a day where price will break down lower and then break it up higher. Like, so I never like have two opposing. It's usually two sells or two buys. We'll see what happens
Stay
there.
with the trend. Yeah.
Yeah, because structurally, this is a range. This is literally a trend. If you understand like open, high, low, close of candles, it's candle range theory. We're
Yeah.
probably gonna have our first trade right now in 16
I'm
seconds.
actually, my trade's coming up too. Get into a good position I like. What are you on, the 1 minute?
Yeah,
Okay.
did not close low.
Oh, hey Josh, sorry I didn't see your comment there. I am on an eval. So I just got this account yesterday. Excited to get back into it. We're going for the, going for the funded. Oh, we're seeing some pretty big pushback here again. So that's exactly why my strategy, I don't get in right away when I see it drop, only because it came down to this area where I marked, literally touched it. It started going all the way back up. It could very easily break these highs, have a breakout, continue going up. Oh, looks like camera dropped out here. So it could either, keep dropping all the way down, break these, break this, or we could just keep going up higher and higher. So we're going to wait for that. And then I'll be texting Cameron to get a grasp on where he's at and let you know what time he puts his trade in. Good, good. I like to see that we're on the same page. Josh, what's your strategy? What's your strategy looking like? It's support resistance.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Oh,
5
no.
minutes of dropping. Okay, we're finally going below. There he is.
No.
Cameron's back.
Can you hear me?
Your mic's not on though.
Dang it. It's on. It's not
Mic's
working.
not on, but okay. Let's see a close below here on the 15 minute. We got 10 minutes till we'll close. We got a very, very large close. Let's see this.
Can you hear me now?
We're seeing some pushback, which is a very good thing. We just know that this is a very good area where a lot could either, bounce off or break through. So we're just waiting. Patience, patience, patience. Again, our entry will be, below this line. The area, the range I'm seeing is top of here, bottom of here. I give it some breathing room. I don't hold it to an exact value. Give it some breathing room.
Can you hear me?
Let's see if Cameron's in here still. Oh. Yeah, one thing I learned in trading, I've been trading for about 4 or 5 years now. I was trading for about 3 years, 3 or 4 years consistently. Then I was trading with about 20 grand, 25 grand. Got married got married on a Wednesday. By that Friday, I was still placing trades. I got so distracted. By next Wednesday, I lost like 8 grand in the week off a couple trades. I was distracted, so I just took a breather. Started up a real estate career in a media company.
Hello?
And I'm just recently now, for the past month or so, getting back into trading. So excited to be here.
Can you hear me?
Okay. So let's see what Josh is saying. I trade ICT. Yeah, ICT is good. I traded that. Wait for the market. Cool. Cool, man. Well, best of luck to everyone who's taken some trades today on NQ.
Can you hear me? Dang, what a morning.
Yeah, guys, this is good. This is good. Many people would have gone in right here once they saw the break, but it's really about patience in the market. This isn't, this is not in a good important value. Now, if it broke above this and closed, now that's a different story. We'd be looking for closes above the last high, which is right here. And we saw last time it tanked. It tanked hard. So very likely we're going to be going bearish today. All right. Okay, good. We're seeing some break. We got about 7 minutes till my confirmation. Let's go to the 15 minutes, see how that's taken. Okay, yeah, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Then I do trailing. So my minimum is 1-to-1. My minimum is 1-to-1. So my entry will most likely be around this point here. Obviously, stop above here. Minimum's a 1-to-1, which is looking pretty good. So my first TP gonna be here. I'm gonna make this gold. Everyone likes gold. Let's get the gold today. This is first TP.
Can you guys
Once
hear
it
me?
hits here, we're gonna start trailing. We'll trail stop loss. Second TP. Third TP.
Oh, you guys can hear me. I don't think Noah can
Right.
hear me, right?
Take what you could get. Take what you get. I made mistakes. For me, trailing works better. Gives me more peace of mind than this. So once it breaks here, we're putting stops around here above this high, above this low, and then we're gonna just watch it crash.
Okay, I think he doesn't have his sound on. I just text him.
Okay, I can't hear you, Cameron.
Can you turn your sound up? Yeah, he wouldn't hear me if I said that. I'm trying to talk to him. Okay, well, here, I'm gonna share my screen really quick, share with you guys what a mess this morning's been, and I'm already locked out. So I got taken out. First entry right here. Of course, price melts right after. I locked out. We're a little bit down on that count, 198.40. Not gonna lie, one of the most stressful mornings we've had streaming in a while because Wi-Fi's out. I got cut out of the stream so many times, and then like 1 minute before the entry even showed up, the personal hotspot cut out, and then I go and I load it, and I happen to load it right before the entry, and then I take the entry, and it just happens to be a loser. We have won 2 trades and lost 1 on the funded, so we're only down 198. That's the equivalent of 1 R we're down right now. But we just lost an 8-trade win streak, or we didn't lose it, but we were on an 8-trade win streak. It got broken, and this is where we're at now. So I'm locked out for the day. We'll see if JMO hops on. We'll flip back to Noah once we can get his audio working. But I'm glad I kicked my wrist back. I'm giving myself a 3-trade breathing room. The only way we lose this funded account is losing 2 more trades in a row. Now, statistical probabilities say that's like not going to happen to begin with. On top of it, oh, he's got 2. Can you hear me now? Kick your other one. No, I'm locked out, Josh. Yeah, I'm going to lock out on 1 loss for the day, or I'm going to lock out on 2 wins for the day. That's what I decided on when doing this. So that way, if the market's not complying with my edge today, like it didn't today, like it has in previous days, I'm not going to give it a chance to keep, screwing me over essentially. So I'm already locked out. You guys can see in the top right here, 7 hours, 57 minutes. We are locked out. So now it's 34 for 36 in the last most recent back tested trades. I'm gonna text Noah and see if we can't get his audio and mic working. No, you can't hear me at all? I do not think so. You can see though, when we basically ended up losing this trade though, I'll show you guys. That's so weird that it's like drawn over like that still. But basically closing out of this right here, I think it would have won a buy upwards. Yeah, it would have. Very, very quick buy, it would have won. That would have been the second trade, but like I said, I'm only taking one and locking out, and this technically flipped the whole script on what we were trying to do today, which is take sells lower, and then eventually it does break out of this range right here, and then the third opportunity for the day, that would have won also, and then we're kind of still stuck inside of this range right now. So 3 opportunities popped up, 2 of them won, 1 loss. I'm locking out after 1 loss because if the market wants to not kind of go with the way price is breaking, who's to say that it's not going to just keep doing that and keep flipping the script on us. So we're locked out. We go to take 2 wins a day, so technically our daily risk rewards 2R, and then our daily loss limit's like 3R. So it'll be quick to make it back is what I'm saying. It'll take a day and a half.
All right, we're coming to the 9:45.
Noah, can you hear us?
You guys can hear me? Yeah, I can hear you. You hear me?
I can hear you. Yeah. Okay.
Finally, the stream's
back.
up. The stream is running.
Now I could stop showing everyone my losing trade today. The boys are back. I always say that, but yeah, I ended up taking it off stream, my trade, and I ended up losing.
I heard.
Locking out.
Yeah, I tuned it on YouTube too. All right.
So we'll see if we get action from Noah, and then we'll see if we get action from JMO here soon.
When's he trying to log on?
I don't know. I don't know if he'll make it today. Okay, everyone can hear both of us. We are where we want to be.
About time, but we're here, right?
Yes, sir. Is that some Cafe Vienna? Cafe Vienna?
This is giving my coffee order. This is a espresso with black coffee mixed with chocolate milk. This is a cafe mocha espresso.
Oh my gosh.
It'll get you running.
You better
It'll
hit
you
your
up there for
trade
the day.
while drinking that. Is it not letting you buy or sell? Try expanding it. Pull it down some.
Let's do this.
No, the order thing. That thing, yeah. There you go.
Finally,
There's the
I was like, I know it hasn't been this long. How do I take a trade? Okay.
Yeah, the buyer sells down there.
So with this account specifically, I haven't really looked at it too much. Do I need a stop loss?
It's a 50K account. Yeah, you'll want to put a stop on unless you just only place 1. But if you should probably place like 3 though. Or you should sell like 3 probably if you're going.
I'm trying to get in. Oh, I gotta hit these little ticks up here. Okay. All right, we're gonna wait for it to come back up a little bit. If not, it's all right. We missed the trade due to unfamiliarity with the.
Uh-oh. Here he is.
Hello.
He's in.
We got Noah in today.
What's
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm gonna have to cut that banner because it's just covering.
Yeah, it is. I was
everyone's
trying to exit off my screen. I couldn't get it though. Okay, we're seeing entries here soon. I'm gonna go to the lower time frame. Go into the 5 minute. just to
No,
see
if
what's
you move
happening.
that order tab to like the right side of your screen too, it should just automatically like connect to it.
Like a magnet.
It should.
It's weird. I'm not getting it. It's all right. It's all right.
It's weird. Huh.
Okay.
Here, pop up JMO.
All
Got a
right,
whole
let's
crew
see.
today.
Yeah.
We do.
Clown,
We do.
Did you update them on my situation?
Okay.
Yeah, I told them you were just heading in. Oh no,
We're
I
in.
didn't update them on that situation. That's all you.
Okay. Yeah, that's all me. Josh, I lost the account yesterday. We were very high
I'll be
risk,
honest, I have no idea. Is this how you
How's
get back
we
to my
doing?
chart?
and it did not pan out.
Okay. There we
But
are.
JMO,
Okay, we're
we
in
lost our
profit. We're in
trade today.
profit.
I saw you lost yours.
Jack?
That is a shame.
That's the one. And I didn't have Wi-Fi. We're on a hotspot right now. Running 3
Oh,
people
guys,
on
we're
stream.
about to hit.
Oh
We're
my
about to hit TP. You may hit TP here
Oh, are you in your
soon.
trade?
Yeah,
I did do the reset, Josh. Yeah. So we're back at 50K.
See, that's what I mean by a little bit of a breakage. So you could see went to that area, dropped significantly, and fingers crossed we're gonna see it coming down a little bit. Although I'm unfamiliar on how to add a stop loss to this, so we're gonna, be quick with the finger today. So what's 1% 50,500? So the goal is 500 today. Get a nice 1% on the account. Oh, I love to see that close. I love to see that close there. Just shows the bearish movement that we're going to see.
Finally, our Wi-Fi's back.
There you go.
No more
I'm
hotspot.
talking myself on here. Oh, all right. Got to fill you in on here, Kim. We're going for about 1 to 2% here. Trailing stop loss once we are in 1%. Right now we're dancing around
you
break
can
even.
click and drag your stop.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, so
Oh,
you can do that,
see,
and then
bro,
same with TP.
these platforms have evolved so much in 2 years. This is getting good. This is getting good.
Yeah, it's much cleaner.
And
Yeah,
we
Jambo
take
up too.
2 trades a day. If market gives it to us, regardless of buy or sell.
JMO, did you mess around with any back testing?
A little bit, yeah. Not as much. My brain was. Yesterday was an interesting day. We'll say that. So, I think I feel more
we can't
reset
hear
now.
him, can we?
Yeah, I feel like today's that interesting day for me. I think it's contagious.
I hope it doesn't continue.
Oh, you got it to click into the right side?
Yeah, I did. Honestly, I don't know how. I just looked and it was there. No. Okay. Let's see. It may come back. It may come back to this area, bounce around support. But we're okay with that. We're okay with that. Can you hear JMO all right?
Yeah, I can hear him. Can you?
Hear JMO say hi?
Howdy.
Yeah, not at all. What is
Oh, you
happening?
can?
No.
I was wondering. I was gonna ask in a second if I noticed it again. I was like, you guys can't hear each other, can you? That's so weird. I wonder why it's doing that.
That's really weird.
All
I can hear
sorts of
Noah.
difficulties. You can hear him?
Yeah.
Well, that's
Super
good, I
stressful,
guess.
man.
Quite crazy.
I'm gonna flip to JMO. JMO, you're up.
Alrighty.
Oh, there he is. I could hear the guy now. Finally.
This is the first time you guys could hear each other? Or JMO said he could hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't hear him. I feel so bad. I feel like I'm cutting him off, and I can't hear nor see him when I'm trading.
You're good. I
Oh,
thought you
okay,
were,
good.
but I was like, maybe you can't hear him.
No, I promise you, I'm not. Oh wow, this is just going up.
Dang, sucks taking a loss today, but so Noah, these platforms too, they got a lockout feature that like I literally am unable to, even if I wanted to place another trade today.
Oh, what? That's not stopping me, right? I can still place another trade if I lose this.
Oh yeah, yeah. You have to turn the lockout on yourself. So
Okay.
you see, oh you don't. Let me go to my screen. Okay, let me share my screen. Yeah, you could see on my screen now the lockout feature. It's up here. It's that like little like exclamation point. Once you click it, it says like all day or for 15 minutes or whatever.
Huh? Interesting. That's so funny. I love how they're doing this now.
Yeah, it makes it nice because like I just placed my trade. It's my rules to be done for the day, and then I was literally done. You know,
Yeah.
like I can't even touch the thing for like another 8 hours.
All right.
No, I think your screen's like it says click to exit full screen. I don't see the chart. Oh, there it
There you
is. Okay.
Yeah, you're lucky. I wish I didn't see this chart either right now.
He said I don't want to see that chart either. Josh might be going long. Josh, did you end up getting long? We'll definitely pull through on this account. I'm just gonna need no, I didn't retrace that IFEG. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I'm trying to get a whole monthly sample of trading like this under my belt. Like Josh, I was gonna only cut my wrist I was only gonna cut my size to 17 micros instead of just 10, which is 1 mini. But I decided to cut it all the way to 10 because the difference would have been giving myself 2 trades of breathing room or 3. And I was like, I just want to be in this and build it for like 1 to 2 months, try to like get it up like 10K or whatever, and withdraw like 2K on the way there. So I was like, the safest way to do it's going to be to give myself 3 trade breathing room. And then you saw like, if we lose, we lose, and we can get back in so quick. It just takes 3 days to get funded. But now that I paid the whole extra $200 total, the $150 activation fee, there's no point in rushing anymore. You know what I mean?
Also, Cam, take a look at, I'm pretty sure they allow you to reset the funded account as well.
They do. I decided though, I thought about it. If push came to shove, I would actually buy a new account instead of do that because it's like $500.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I'd rather spend the
That's-
$50 and maybe blow it like 1 or 2 times on the way to try to get funded in 3 days again, than spend the 500.
That's way more worthwhile. I did not realize it cost $500.
I'll check right now since I'm not like getting in any more trades to just see, but I'm pretty sure it was like $494 or something.
Wow.
Oh gosh. All right, we'll flip over to Noah. It's still I'm still below that one level though that you have marked up.
Yeah.
That higher time frame resistance there.
I'm curious. I'm curious to see what's going to go. You know, it is trending up right now. So we were trying to catch a break, but that's all right. But I mean, this right here is just, you know, such a big level.
Yeah, you could be taking those highs, those immediate highs, like the one where there's probably stops behind right now, and then like if you zoom into where you're at with price,
Yeah.
like that's probably what it's doing. It's sweeping those people out, and then it could drop lower once it sweeps those equal highs.
Yeah. So let's just mark those highs out. See exactly how high do we have to be safe. Spray came up last time. We'll be fine. We'll be fine.
I think you're pretty safe. I'm talking about like right before the New York Open, those highs, like literally right
gotcha.
where your entry's at.
Why is it zoomed in?
Okay, I'm gonna find out for us. Let's see it. Hit reset. Okay. Yeah, it's $500. The 100K is $600 and the 150 is $729. So at least it gets a little cheaper.
Yeah, it's worthwhile getting the bigger one. Gee.
We technically have like a fourth potential trade too if we get that low, because I'll have like an extra $200, so it'd be like a 1-to-1 though. Would be the fourth trade. So I have three 3-to-1s and then a fourth 1-to-1. So I feel like I'm managing this right. Only time will tell. Now this is just like the hardest part about trading now. Once you're in a funded account, once you like manage risk properly, you just need to get like a 1 to 2 month sample of doing the exact same thing every single day.
Let's see. It's going high up. It's going high. Come back down.
Oh, nice, Josh. Josh, what firm are you looking to go with? A 5K one, that's probably a Forex firm, right? Funded Next, I believe they have a futures as well. Check them out. I wonder, do they do they do have a futures. Do they do 5Ks on the futures? It looks like the lowest I see. It might be on the CFD side. I see they do 25K though. Top Step doesn't even do 25K. They only do 50. That's cool though.
All right, we are seeing some good resistance there. So
I think your camera cut out too.
it is. It's right here.
Oh,
Gotta
gotcha.
get changed real quick. Getting something a little more comfortable.
Oh, you're good. 24 payout carry. Oh, so they're gonna make sure they give you that. I'll tell you which prop firm I don't recommend for Forex is E8. Never trade with E8 ever. Okay. Yeah, I did get an E8 payout. E8's paid me like $7 grand or $8 grand. Don't trade with them though. They're terrible. They manipulate their spreads 100%. They have it set up in MatchTrader. If you ever trade with them, you just pay attention. They have it set up in MatchTrader, their personal settings with MatchTrader, to slip you on every single trade. So every single loss you take, you're gonna lose like an extra 5 or 10%. Every single win you make, you're gonna make less than 5 or 10%. I just know how it works, and I know that E8 has that set up on the back end with their deal with MatchTrader, and they cause slippage intentionally. It's literally a setting that E8 has to literally slip you. Like it's not like you got to think about it. They're simulated markets, so E8's slipping you intentionally. Like they literally get to set the setting. It's not like a real slippage. There's no such thing as slippage in simulated markets. They control the slippage, and their slippage is massive. E8 literally intentionally slips you on every single trade you take, and then on news folders and stuff, there will be a news folder that won't impact the market at all, so real slippage shouldn't even happen, and it'll kick spreads 30 pips. 30 pips. So they have settings that they put in place, that E8 put in place, that intentionally manipulates traders, and they're just screwing people left and right. That's why futures is so nice, because they can't do that. It's impossible. You're literally trading off the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Like you can't manipulate futures. Okay, I'm gonna flip back to you, JMO.
I'm being patient now, but in a good way. Better patient. Nope.
That's my little rant about E8. We're not friends anymore.
There we go.
Yeah, we're definitely seeing price break up.
Oh yeah, it's flying.
It's flying.
That's one of those things you just got to remove the stop on. What's rule number one? Everyone knows this.
You just don't have a stop.
If you don't have a stop, they can't what? Take it.
Let it run. It's only realized losses if you close the position.
It's true. Oh, did you remove it?
It's back. No, it's not back. I just want to give it. I just want to wait to close on a 15 minute. Because I just don't believe this. I can't believe this.
Looking pretty strong.
It's looking quite strong. Yeah. But you gotta think, how many people are buying right now? Right? So what, are there more buyers or sellers at the end of the day?
Yeah, no entry. That's one of those ones ICT talks about, Josh, where it just runs from you and you just got to watch it. Because you were calling that, Josh, but it just ran. I know what the boys need. The boys need a switch up on the music. We all need a switch up on the music right now. I think I'm having coffee withdrawals too. I might be what's it called? Yeah, it's called withdrawals, yeah.
Just start drinking coffee again.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I didn't sleep very good last night. Best views on streamboo.org. Remove the space. Okay, I'll check that out later. The same thing again. That's my only Twitch viewer. I have to admit though, you've been so loyal since I started my Twitch streams that I might just check it out. Because they've showed up every day to drop this comment.
I looked it up. It says it's 100% legit.
It probably is, but the only problem is that type of stuff ruins channels. People it's like they think it's gonna help, but then what happens is none of YouTube and Twitch and all of that, they know if they're real or not. And long term it does damage, because when you want to stop using it, then it just destroys your channel.
Big time.
Because what it'll see it go from like a lot of viewers to not any viewers, and then like Twitch or YouTube will be like, oh, this channel's not interesting anymore.
Well, that and engagement, right? So if they're seeing your content but they're not sharing it, commenting, liking,
Yeah.
it's like, oh, they saw it but they hate it. So it's better to have 4 or 5 people who love it than 1,000 people who hate it, And this is why you never use a stop loss. Quote me on that.
This is the turn.
What's a day in the life look like for Cramson? It's just you're looking at it right now. I get up, I trade, I work the rest of the day. I work from home, so I work remotely. So I'll work from home a lot. I work from my computer, and then in the middle of the day, I hit a workout, and then usually like towards the end of the day, when work's ending and stuff. I'll do like a lot of disciplines, like a lot of reading. I'll meditate, and then I'll usually just spend time with my girlfriend or my family in the evening, and then just kind of read myself to sleep at night, and then rinse and repeat. And then on the weekends, here and there, I hit the cold plunge, sauna house, and then I'll hit there's this massage place too that I kind of have like a addiction to because it's super cheap. It's like 80
Okay,
bucks
that
a
sounds-
person.
That's
It's cheap because in Naples, like where we're all at, massages like they charge people like $150 a person, and they're terrible. Well, I found a place that charges half of that, and it's like amazing. It's like the Swedish, like I don't know, like it's some type of under the table massage that they're doing behind. Like there's no way they're paying taxes. I'll say that much. It's a hole in the wall, and they know what they're doing. But I go to that like every now and then that's kind of what my life looks like, and just rinse and repeat. A lot of just computer work, a lot of working out, and a lot of reading, and yeah, that's a day in the life of Cramson, like every day.
Yeah, take a look at I'm4X's profile picture. If that's him, we all have to take some notes. He's Jack. Look at that.
Oh, I popped them up on the screen. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't even know I could do that. I might have you beat my brother. No, I'm kidding.
All right.
Playing.
Later in the video, Cameron and I'm4X go.
We just
All right,
we
let's-
go like this. We cut it only to me, and then I just.
When do
how do I
you
go
get your
back?
haircut? When do you get your haircut?
Oh, I got it cut at Fresh Fades. I was the only person in there that spoke English. The only person in there that spoke English. It was great. It was right downtown Bonita. I went there yesterday after work, and it was the best decision I've ever made. They didn't even take card. I had to run to the gas station ATM afterwards.
That's crazy. It's a lot of trust they put in you.
I know. I was surprised. They did.
Well, all right, guys. I gotta head out here soon. I gotta make it downtown. But I'm interested to see where this trade's going, and I'll join live just so I could watch what NQ's doing.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll see you, brother. Good first day back.
Yeah. Well, let's hope it's a good day back. Let's hope this thing drops.
The fact that you got on the charts though again after 2 years, that's a good day back, win or lose.
Yeah, it's a good day back. It's a good day. Oh, nice peak. All right. See you guys. See you, chat.
See you,
They
brother.
did.
And there were two.
And there were two. So basically what I'm thinking at the moment, I'm still kind of trading my same strategy, but I'm using fair value gaps as more of a confluence for me.
Mm.
So I'm
That's
just
good.
going to be patient on those. If it respects it, that's an entry. If it inverses with a candle close, that's also an entry.
Oh, so inversion or a respect.
Yeah.
That's solid. And then where are you going to put stops behind like candle 2 or candle 3?
Yeah, something like that. So I don't think I'm going to do a strict like 20-point stop loss.
Yeah.
It'll depend. We'll see how we do. I like sticking to a good like fixed RR, but I don't know yet. I'm going to do some more back testing today. Just
Yeah.
test it out.
I like it. That's what is it? Who was it that I watched? It was not. It was J Dub. J Dub's the one who does a fair
yeah.
value gap off of orb breakouts. He does a breakout of the orb, 5-minute or 15-minute, and then he does a fair value gap. But he did it, I think, as soon as it forms. I don't think he waited for it to play in or not.
Okay.
But playing in, I think he was saying that's an aggressive model. He didn't say this, but playing inside of it or inverting it, it's probably like the more conservative, more like higher probability model.
Yeah. Yeah. Because, I mean, you can see I've got 3 5-minute fair value gaps here. Each one of them, like, if I just entered on the confirmation of that gap, you know, it could have played out, but it doesn't always do so.
Yeah, once it taps into it and then it closes without breaking through, like if you tap that 5-minute fair value gap right now and you close, you know, at least inside of it or above it, it's basically price has accepted that liquidity and grabbed it, like,
Yeah.
without failing, you know.
Yeah. So I think that's where I think today I was looking for more of an inversion. Oh, one sec, I'll take this. Hey,
Good.
Chris. Good, how you doing?
I hope I'm
thank
not
you very
loud enough. He can't hear us, but you guys remember the last time he
lovely.
took a phone call? He was on the phone and he hit the buy button or sell button and he made $1,000 while he was
Yeah,
on the phone.
I'm actually here right now. Okay, perfect. Yeah, just let me know when you're here.
Dude, yeah, I'd
thank
love
you,
that. I'd
Chris.
love to have you on. I'm trying to think of the best way we can get in touch.
Okay, I'm back.
What's your Twitter?
Mine?
No, it's this IMFX. He's
Oh.
he's seeing if I'm gonna try to connect with him. He wants to hop on one day with us. But no, I was
Really?
telling everyone while you were on the phone, I was like, you guys know what happened last time he was on the phone. He picked up the phone, hit the sell button while he was on the phone, made $1,000 before he got off.
I wish I could have continued that right now.
Are you gonna get an entry off of the 1 minute though, or the 5-minute?
That's a good question. I'm not certain yet. Could go either way. The 1 minute gives me a good kind of idea of just the candle pattern. Let's see, this is a new candle.
Did that 5-minute? Oh, that 5-minute missed it, didn't it? It hasn't touched it yet.
Hasn't touched it. Yeah, not since the first one. So we'll see how it reacts.
Yeah, Josh said it. You were making boss calls last time.
Yeah, I was making stuff happen. Yeah, that's kind of setting some equal lows there.
Okay.
I like this
Oh, it's not in
background.
there again. More elevator music. All right. It was just a stressful morning today. I don't know what was going on.
That's how I felt yesterday. It sounded like you mitigated the losses pretty well.
Dude, yeah, because I thought I was gonna miss my entry, and it just didn't happen. Like my Wi-Fi was out on the candle that was outside of the 1 minute range, but then it had closed back inside by the time I got the Wi-Fi to connect again, my hotspot to connect again, and then I looked and I was still in time for the entry, but I wasn't even on stream. Then I take the trade and in the Telegram, then the trade loses, then I come back to the stream with a loss. But it's good. It's good.
Bounce back tomorrow.
Yeah. We're locked out. We're only down 1 R right now.
Yeah, that's good. Yesterday was a tough, like, when I lose an account, I think it forces me to reflect even more, which I actually appreciate. But it was a It was a tough one. I don't know why. I think I was risking more than my tolerance allowed. So I was happy when a trade won, but when it lost, it was more than I could handle at that point.
Yeah, it feels good when you're winning, but it hurts more when you lose.
Yeah, and
It always
that's
hurts more.
yeah. And so it needs to be at a level that I can tolerate both. I don't want to get too excited when I win, and not too down when I lose. It's gonna be very level.
For sure. Yeah, I feel that. That's why I always try to think in terms of like what I paid versus what the actual dollar amount is.
Mm.
Like I'm looking at this now like it's a $200 cash account. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Which now
That's a
that's
good-
why I'm trading this a little safer, but before it was a $50 cash account. So that's the only way I look at it, and that's the only thing that helps me like take the edge off of it all.
That's a good point. This is tough right now. It's kind of trending, ranging here. Had a couple close calls. Might be a bit of a bull flag forming.
Little PW. Little Patrick Whelan bull flag. I forget if I've asked you. You've watched him before, right?
Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, excuse me.
I actually don't know if I have.
Noah popped in hoping it crashes. Noah, are you still in? I forgot to flip back to you at the end.
Looks like it's just going to continue up right now. All right. I'm feeling good about the gap now.
It's crazy. All those are getting left open.
Yeah. It's got to happen at a certain point. 1 hour.
Oh, you can't find your password? Oh, it might come back for you by then.
That's an involuntary lockout.
Yeah, involuntary lockout. I don't know though. I think price is delivering higher. I think it's distributing.
Very well could be. I would just think at a certain point it's got to retrace for a bit more liquidity.
All those people that got wiped out in that crash, it's definitely going back to all-time highs. That's
Yeah, I
my
think so.
long-term opinion.
I think it's only a couple $100 away from there. Yeah.
Because I'll share my screen too. This is like, now that we're back above this level, right here, I think we could easily go all-time highs back above this line.
Was that
This is
previous
a 4
day?
hour. Just in a massive range though. This massive daily range.
We got a big 4 hour gap that is coming into now. So maybe that's what's pushing it.
Look at that turtle soup down here.
Whoa.
That crazy turtle soup.
Jeez. That's such a big
All right.
broken gap, too. Oh, gosh.
Yeah, we had to forfeit the Instagram stream today.
Wasn't working?
No, it was just too hard with the thing was trying too hard with just being on a hotspot.
Oh, yeah. That's a bit frustrating. We calling it at 10:30?
Oh yeah, I didn't even realize it was getting there.
Yeah, I just realized. Today will be better. I'll take a winning trade if I take a trade.
Yes, sir. Are you what how many contracts are you gonna trade?
Right now I'm thinking 25. I'm going to do a 1 to 1.5 and trail as it hits 1 to 1.
It could be the move going all time highs. I think you got plenty of room to get that trade.
A lot of breathing room, I think. Yeah. Like if we don't see a break below this and just a kind of a retest of this gap, I'm feeling pretty good. We got a 15-minute there as well. Even if it taps that. Just want to see a little pullback.
Okay. Yeah, we'll close out. But you can, of course, keep your eyes on the road if you need to.
Yeah,
we'll close it out then. All right, Father, we just come to you in the name of Jesus. Just thank you for today, even though there was a lot of complications this morning, helping us to stay disciplined, helping us to stay in a place of self-control, and just to have clarity to move through each day, take the wins, take the losses, and keep moving forward. Father, I just pray that you build us up internally. That way we can be built up in all the other areas of our life. Your word says that you desire for us to prosper in all areas of our life, just in the same way our soul prospers. So help us to put that prosperity before all things. Help us to spend time in your word today so we can hear your voice. And just I pray for that prosperity internally, that place of peace, that place of security, that place of confidence and comfort. I pray for that for all my brothers today. And I just pray that you bless them and their families, and you heal any situation in their life, physically, mentally, spiritually. I just pray that you're doing a work right now and doing things that we can't do on our own. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
All right, boys.
Thanks,
we will
Josh.
be back tomorrow. JMO will have hit his 1.5 hour trade.
There we go.
And I will still be locked out, but we'll be back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. All right, JMO. I will see
All right,
you
guys.
tomorrow, brother.
See you, brother.
See y'all. Love you guys.